Hi traders! In this video, I'll show you how to easily access your Forex VPS via your computer using remote desktop connection. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows logo. Then in the search bar, type RDP, which stands for Remote Desktop Connection. Click the application that appears in the search results. Click on Show Options to expand the menu. Now, enter the IP address and username provided in your email. Then, click Connect. A password field will appear. Enter your VPS password carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the end. You can check the box, Remember me, so you don't have to re-enter your password next time. Next, if you see a display like this, check the box that says, Don't ask me again for connections to this computer, then click Yes. That's it. If you see a screen like this, it means you've successfully logged into your VPS via a remote desktop. Good luck and happy trading!